this is Lilith and welcome back to another one of my videos for Old to New. Today I'm going to be creating a Christmas inspired layout using the Holiday Bow stamp set as well as the Bountiful branch. I wanted to combine these two sets to make a Christmas layout featuring one or two of the photos I took 2 years ago of our Christmas decorations. So this is the stamp set I'm going to be using for my background. It's called the Bountiful branch and it's this lovely stamp set to create these lovely branches. Now what I love about this set is that you can make it very Christmassy, but if you change the colors a little bit and maybe make the berries orange or yellow, you can create a more spring themed layout if you wanted to. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to stamp my branches and I'm going to use the first layer of my sets. And I'm going to create a whole waterfall of branches going down and just a little reminder at the top. I'm sorry about the tapping and how my screen is moving. I still have to figure out how to get that a little bit sturdier. So this is a really easy stamp set to layer up. The first thing you have to do is layer your leaves and then you can add your little berries later on as well as the stems. I'm using for the berries are Pink Pearl and Vineyard Berry, and I'm just going to do 2 layers here, but there are 4 layers in total. For my leaves I used Evergreen, Forest Glades and Frayed leaf. So now that I have got the backdrop on my layout, I can start working on my little embellishments. And I'm doing this more and more when I create layouts, is just working with lots of stamps and creating my own embellishments. So the holiday bow is perfect for this. And I'm going to create 2 colored bows using Pink Pearl, Coral Bliss, and then going with a darker shade on top of each other. And I'm just going to use 2 of the 3 layers. And once the ink has dried, I can use the coordinating die and just cut that out. So now that my background is done and I've got my bows, I'm going to start fiddling around just to create my layout. So sometimes this goes really quickly and sometimes it takes a little bit longer. I decided to use 2 of the 3 bows, and I'm going to go through my stickers and just see which I can use. I love these little wood frame stickers, which are from the Reflection Scrapbook collection. And when you pull them out, you are left with a frame. And I thought it'd be nice just to add those little leftover pieces onto my layout, and this way I can create my visual triangle with my 3 frames. I'll also add a couple of enamel dots, bright red enamel dots, just to pull out the red from those beautiful little berries. And I'm going to create my title by combining this chipboard frame which says hello with a stamp with Christmas on it. This stamp is from the Brilliant Bauble stamp set, and I'm just going to use part of it just by masking off the top, and that way I just have the word Christmas. There you go. I did notice that my T didn't stamp so nicely, so I'm just going to go over it with a Sharpie pen. Now I'm going to stick everything down, write my journaling, and I'll also add a couple of little star stamps onto that, just with a little bit of green, just to add a little bit more detail, as well as some handwritten journaling. So there you have it, my layout for today. I hope you enjoyed this video and that you feel inspired, and I hope you are having fun prepping for Christmas and the holiday season. Have a lovely day. Thank you so much for joining me, and if you've got any comments or questions, just pop them in the comment section. And for more information on all the products used in this layout or on this layout, and as well as inks and stamps, just visit the Old to New Scrapbook blog. Thank you very much for joining me, and I'll see you very soon. Bye bye.